Up, yeah. So, ito ulit tayo sa workout plan. Ano bang araw ngayon? Sunday. So, Sunday, nakalagay dito, traps tsaka leg. So, bali, Saturday, hindi ako nakapagbuhat. Nagpahinga ako. So, tara, bisa na natin.
Early sun and the biggest sky greets hills that I have ever seen. These old stone walls and the ones they're holding, the only place I wanna be. Flashlight light as it comes shining in your door. Catch those words as they go by. Catch that wave as it crashes over you. And keep the fire alive. In the dark, when the summer sun has set down all the heat of all the day has warmed the ground and the earth beneath your feet, and watching the fireflies in the night. Catch that light as it comes shining in your door. Catch those words as they go by. Catch that wave as it crashes over you. Keep the fire alive. Never could forget those sounds as they can wash into my ears. Coming strong, a river running through me.
Yo! So, natapos na natin. Bali na ihabol natin yung pang Saturday natin, no? Itong calves tsaka bicep. Nakapag-bicep calves tayo ngayon. Hindi man ganun kahaba. So, goods na rin kasi kahit papano nagagawa natin siya. Tsaka nag-uumpisa pa lang kasi tayo, kaya yun nga, hindi naman kailangan biglain. So yun, natapos natin. So susunod natin Monday, chest tsaka tricep, yung bago papasukan natin. Tour ko kayo doon. So ngayon, ito yung workout plan natin. Susundin natin to kahit may pasok na tayo, hindi tayo hihinto. So, medyo maluwag tayo sa oras ngayon, tsaka hawak na natin yung oras natin. So, magagawa natin to lahat. So, yun lang naman yun. Ingat kayo palagi mga chong. Maraming salamat sa natapos ng video na to. Babush!